Hello bachon, welcome to my channel. Today Neeti Mam is going to teach you how to make penguins from brinjals. Learn vegetable carving from Neeti Mam.
Friends, I'm Neeti Mittal. Today I'm going to teach you in vegetable carving very cute little penguin which you can make with the help of only 3 brinjals, not more than that, only 3 brinjal and 1 carrot. Material is required brinjals and carrot. For this, selection of vegetable is very important. For making the body of penguin we need oval shaped brinjal, and for the head we need a round shaped brinjal. So what we will do, first we will take out the crown of the brinjal. We must take out the crown of the brinjal. Slowly with the hand of a knife we'll trim the crown of all our 3 brinjals. First we will trim the crown. And you know a very beautiful story over that, Akbar and Birbal story. Once Akbar told, brinjal is very nice vegetable. Then Birbal told, yes, because it is having a crown. And one day Akbar has very bad mood. He told, brinjal is very bad. Then he told, that's why its name is Begun. Okay, it is just a joke apart. Now, for this we have to make a body, and you know in penguin there is a white portion in center. For that what we will do, we'll just give a straight cutting from the center of 1 centimeter, and so slowly we will trim the skin of the brinjal. Only skin, not the pulp. Only skin we must trim. And then because this brinjal will not stand, we will trim the down portion of the brinjal also. Here we will attach the legs. Okay, and then we will take the head. This head is little big, so this also I am trimming. With the help of the toothpick, we will attach the head in this. Now it is looking like a doll. Okay, now for making the beak, what we will do, we will take a carrot, tip portion of the carrot, and we will just give a shape of this by trimming it of diagonal trim we will give, and it is like this small, and we will help of the toothpick again we will attach the beak of the penguin. So here we are attaching the beak of the penguin with the help of the toothpick. I must attach, 1 second, this is going, 1 second, we will attach, 1 minute, I will attach this. We will attach, slowly we will attach the beak. Okay, now beak is ready, and for the eyes portion you can take sago and make the eyes with the sago. Right now I don't have a sago, so I have taken a marker pen, and with this I am making the eyes of my penguin. 2 eyes I am making with the marker pen. Actually you must do with the sago. Sabudana what you call. Now for making the wings, we will take another brinjal, and this brinjal we will chop half. We will divide 1 by half, 2, then 1 by 4. Again what we will do, we will just trim the pulp of that. It will be a boat shape, and this pulp we will not throw. You can make use of the curry, and if it is little long we will just trim it, because wing should not more bigger than the body. So here we will attach with the help of the toothpick again 2 wings for the penguin. We will break the toothpick if it is long. And now what we will do, both sides we will attach the wing. Now our wings are ready, mouth is ready, eyes are ready. Only thing is left is our legs. For that legs what we will do, we will take the carrot and we will make a round. It should be half centimeter, and this round we will give a V shape. Just V shape we will give, like this we will give a V shape, and again we will attach from the down this portion with the help of the toothpick. Again 1 second, we will attach with the help of the toothpick this. So our penguin is ready. Hope you have liked this penguins. You can keep this penguin in center of your salad plate, and it will enhance the beauty of your salad plate. Hope friends you have liked the penguin. And I should thankful to my office boy Omkar, who is taking my video and helping me to make this live session very beautiful. This is non-edited video. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed.
Thank you, bachon. See you soon. Love you.